Hi everyone, how are you doing today? What I'm making for you is the most delicious banana cream pie. Whenever I make this, it goes like hotcakes. Anyway, what I'm gonna do for you first is I'm gonna blind bake the bottom of the crust. This crust is the other half of the pie crust recipe that I made for the pumpkin pie. So what I'm gonna do is I punch a few holes in there, and what I'm gonna do is line the bottom with egg wash. This helps the crust for not getting soggy and all mushad, which means mushy. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this parchment paper and I'm going to put in some beads. You could do this with dry beans, any kind of dry beans. But, whoa, this here works very well also. So we're going to put this in for 20 minutes, then I'm going to lower the temperature and put it in for another 8 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back when the crust is all cooked. Okay, so I heated up 2 cups of milk and I let it get really hot, and then I added the 3 egg yolks, a half of a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And so it's thickened. Here's the source of thickening. I'm going to strain, and we're going to skip it and take out all the little budgets. See all the screen, the egg. So I'm taking it out, and then I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator until it's cooled off. And then what I'm gonna do is put the pie together between the custard, the bananas, and the whipped cream. I'll be back when this is cooled off. Okay, so I have the pie crust here already done. I'm going to add 3 small bananas, or you can use 2 large bananas, a half a cup to 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups of heavy cream, and then I'm going to beat this up until it's thickened. Okay, so here's the whipped cream. This is what it should look like after you whipped it. I'm going to put it in here. This is like a pastry bag. Get this like that here. Oh, and this is going to go onto the custard. You can make whatever design you want on here. And what I'm going to do after I fill in all of the whipped cream, I'm going to chill it. And then we're going to take a piece and we're going to taste this delicious banana cream pie. Me and my daughter-in-law. Nobody else really likes it, although maybe my granddaughter will try it. She likes bananas. Okay, this is it. I think I'm just gonna make it. That was 2 cups of heavy cream. There we go. Maybe 2.5 cups, but I'm filling it all in. It's so delicious. Here you go. Have a look at that. Let me take it out of the pan here. Have a look at that banana cream pie. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And don't forget to chill it for at least an hour. It's delicious. Hi everyone, I took the pie crust out of the, what do you call it?
Oven.
Hi everyone, I took the pie crust out, so it was in for 20 minutes at 425 degrees, and then for the next 8 minutes, it was on 450. And this is what it looks like when it came out, pie crust. I have the pie crust, I mean the egg, hurry up. So I added my egg drops, 3 egg drops, 3 egg, and now this is this is, what is this? This is this is what do you call this?
This is a wrap.
It's